In today's video, I'll show you on how you can register new TM or Globe SIM card. You could do this from your mobile devices or your Windows computer. First things first, head over to your browser and search for SIM registration Globe. Basically, the steps are going to be the same. If you're using TM, just type TM, or Globe, you want to type Globe. From here, you want to navigate through their official website, which is going to be globe.com.ph-register SIM card. From here, you have multiple options like the tap register now when you open up the Globe One application. Of course, you could be also doing this from the application itself, but to make things easier, I'm going to register using my browser right here. Click on the continue button and it will now begin the process. So the first thing that you want to do is to enter your mobile number. From there, you then have to choose your SIM registration type, provide ID and selfie, fill up the registration form, and finally, you want to review your details. From there, you have successfully registered your TM or Globe SIM card. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.